In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI in 2025 to generate trending video ideas. Whether you're a content creator looking to spark some creative inspiration or just curious about the capabilities of Grok AI, this step-by-step guide will assist you in getting started. To begin, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Google homepage. Once you're there, simply navigate to the search bar and type in the keyword Grok. This is your gateway to accessing the powerful features of Grok AI. Hit enter and you'll be presented with a list of search results. Next, you'll want to locate the official Grok website from the list of search results. It usually appears at the top, considering its popularity and relevance, so it should be easy to find. Click on the link to access the Grok website. As you land on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and options available. This will help you navigate more efficiently once you dive into the main task. Now, it's time to make your first prompt. In the designated input area on the Grok platform, you'll want to think about what you're seeking. In this case, our goal is to generate trending video ideas. A good start could be to type something along the lines of, "Generate 5 trending video ideas about AI tools." Using clear and concise language helps ensure that Grok understands exactly what you're asking. This AI is designed to respond to prompts efficiently, so the more specific you are, the better results you'll likely receive. Once you've crafted your prompt, your next step is to submit it. You'll find a Submit button located conveniently near the input field. With one simple click, Grok AI will start processing your request. The technology powering Grok is sophisticated, yet user-friendly, making this process quick, often taking just a few moments to provide results. Once you hit Submit, give yourself a short pause to let the AI work its magic. Shortly after submission, Grok AI will present you with a list of video ideas. You can utilize these results as inspiration for your next content creation venture. Take some time to review the ideas generated and see which ones resonate or align with your content goals. Remember, while these suggestions are a great starting point, feel free to modify and personalize them to better fit your creative vision. And there you have it. You've successfully used Grok AI to generate some fresh, trending video ideas. This tool is an incredible resource for creators and anyone looking to explore the possibilities of AI in content creation. Make sure to explore the various features Grok AI offers to maximize your creative potential. Happy creating!